Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you visit this channel for first time, I need to inform you that I make this channel in order to teach people how to make money online and quit their 9 to 5 job. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 3 affiliate networks to make money online even if you are a beginner. For those who don't know, affiliate marketing is probably the best method to make money online. More specifically, it's when you promote someone else's product for a commission. In my opinion, ClickBank is by far the best affiliate platform. ClickBank. First of all, it's in the market for more than 20 years and it provides a wide variety of products that you can promote. You can choose whatever niche you like, from weight loss products, make money online products, sports products, even political or current events products. The second affiliate network that is really worth, in my opinion, is ClickFunnels affiliate program. Wait for a minute. Well, ClickFunnels affiliate program is a great option for those who want to make big cash in the long term. The lowest plan is $97 per month and they pay 40% recurring commissions. It's 38 every month from just one customer. Guys, imagine having 200 customers under you. That's $5,560 of passive income a month. The last affiliate network that we're going to visit, that I'm going to show you, it's called JVZoo. JVZoo is a marketplace similar to ClickBank where you find products from over 200 niches. There are two things that you need to know about JVZoo. Those two things is that make this platform unique. The first one is called JVZoo product of the day. What it actually is? Every day JVZoo advertises a product of the day, which you can promote to make some money. Secondly, JVZoo have 4 top sellers list: top seller of the day, top seller of the day before, top seller of the week, and top seller of the month. We can see which products promote the top affiliates and copy those products in order to make your own commission.